It is great opportunity for us all to be present here. Today, I am here to deliver a short lecture about COVID-19 and its impact on education. Dear audience, coronavirus or COVID-19 was known to be a ordinary virus, but suddenly in 2019, it's become fatal and pandemic. No one could imagine that its impact so badly affect in our economy, health and education. I think the most affected sector is the education sector, which spoiled the future of millions of students. The government or of private educational institute and their employees suddenly announced lockdown, put the student out of classroom. Dear audience, many school buildings were turned into quarantine center. All government and private educational institutes were forced to shut down. Dear audience, at first the student looked at it as a short relief from burden of studies. But when they realized there are little chance of reopening the school and college, they are got nervous and desperate to learn. Parents and teachers also hopeless. Some teachers of coaching center and private school start online coaching through Google Meet, and Zoom. Dear audience, the government could not evaluate the student properly. Through the student were promoted next classes or they were given board certificate. And this unplanned lockdown destroyed, broken the future of millions of students. Many poor families, they are not able to buy Android smartphone, tablets or laptop for their children. So the poor students not benefited. Online classes, many poor families living remote village, they are not benefited because network issues and problem. Dear audience, a large number of students become dropout. Thousands of students, 9 to 12, migrated to metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kerala, Chennai to earn money, to maintain their families. And this is the most dangerous for our social, economical and political aspect. Because education is the key of balance, the growth of personality. By training yourself to be spiritual, intellectual and rational. In Islam, ilm means the action of knowledge. The first word of the Holy Quran, which reveals on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is Iqra. That means read. The whole Quran is about the teaching of Allah, about learning to lead the lifestyle of believers. In Hadith, there are various chapters related ilm, which means ilm. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Juma, verse number 9, "Qul hal yastawi alladhina ya'lamuna wal ladhina la ya'lamun." Those who have knowledge equal to those who do not have knowledge. Prophet Muhammad said in Hadith, "Talab al-ilm farijatun ala kulli Muslim." Rahul Bayhaqi. Seeking the knowledge, seeking the religious knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Mujadala, verse number 11, "Yarfa'u Allahu alladhina amanu minkum wal ladhina utul ilma daraja." Allah rises to higher ranks of believer and those of knowledge. At last, we know our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quranic reference are great proof how important education in Islam, how it is vital. It is considered, how it is vital to consider seeking knowledge necessary. At last, my speech, I pray to Allah, may Allah bless us, may Allah give us the wellness to this pandemic situation. Amin. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.